1. Central Mac Heinery 7x10 Precision Mini Lathe. The 7x10 mini metal lathe by the Central Machinery is one of the best precise one for making models or any type of prototypes. You will get the best result after using it. The lathe comes with the variable speed option. The controlling knob will help you to control the speed according to the material, edge, and need. Two. ShopFox W1704 Best Benchtop Lathe. The ShopFox W1704 lathe is made to set on a workbench. If you are searching for a metal lathe which fits perfectly on your workbench, then this is the one for you. It won't only fit on your workbench but also it will shape your required thing with speed and safety. This shop for the lathe is made of cast iron and has 1/3 horsepower. You will get the option to control your speed while using the lathe. The variable option with this one is from 700 to 3200 RPM, revolutions per minute. It has safety paddle switch as well. The manufacturer is providing 2 tool rests with the lathe so that you can bring varieties in your work as well. The tool rests are 4.5 and 7-inch tool rest. The faceplate of this lathe is 5 to 3/4 inch, which is very useful especially when you will need to make something like a bowl. This is needed because the tailstocks usually don't have anything to support the inner side of the bowl-like structures. Three. Mophorn Metal Lathe Precision Mini Lathe. If you are looking for a mini lathe that can cut and design through not only a few but various numbers of materials, then this is the one for you. The Mophorn Mini Lathe is ideal for your workshop if you need to work with different types of materials on a daily basis. It will help you with drilling, threading, and cutting. This will become a part of your work where you have to do the slight precisions and modeling for details. In one word, it will help you to get the details out of your design perfectly. Four. Best Equipped Mini Metal Lathe Precision Lathe Machine. If the first thing that you want in your mini lathe is turning, then this is the one for you. It has a range of various metals on its list which it can easily and neatly process. The areas and edges of the material can be easily modified or designed with little details with this one. It is popular among the hobbyists and model makers because of its minute designing capability. It has 18 threads with automatic feed. The chuck guard present in the lathe comes with the micro switch, which is convenient to use laboratories. Since it has a telescopic scale, it will be easy for students and interns to use it and keep the measurement correct. The horsepower of the lathe is 0.75 and the speed varies up to 2500 RPM. Five. Erie Tools 7x14 Precision Bench Top Mini Metal Lathe. The Erie Tools are specialized in everything that a lathe does. So you should buy this if you think you need an all-rounder. You will be able to do the threading and drilling along with turning that is precise cuttings and shaping to bowl-shaped materials as well. It goes with the model workers and whoever does detailing work. Because creating minute details is what every mini lathe does the best. This one is no exception. Six. 7x14 Mini Benchtop Metal Lathe. This mini lathe has the ideal bed of 7 by 14 inches, which is the standard size of the mini lathes. But it has a very good efficiency. It comes with a 500W motor and spindle speed up to 2500 RPM. Though the functionality of lathe is what matters most, this lathe comes in blue and orange colors. So if you have a color theme in your workshop, you can match it with the mini lathe as well. The mini lathe has a spindle accuracy of 0.01 mm and spindle bore of 20 mm.